We use 3 techniques to sublimate on trucker hats, and we'll show you how we did it right now.
What is up? Welcome back. Do you like to do it, build it, or make it? Great, you should subscribe because that's what we do here. Oh, hit that bell because we have a new video each week.
This week we had a request from our friend Mike on how to sublimate on trucker hats. So in true Kim and Garrett fashion, we're taking it way too far. So we're gonna show you a few different techniques on lots of different hats.
We got some high polyester count hats. We got some cotton hats that we put die pressed poly tee on. And then we have some cotton hats that we sprayed with acrylic spray paint.
We ran a test on a t-shirt using each technique. We'll show you a close-up and how they each looked on our test fabric. Let's see how they look on the hats.
Yeah.
So we'll start with putting our images in Microsoft Word, and we'll print them out on our A-Sub sublimation paper.
Using our Epson Artisan 1430 printer that was converted with a continuous ink system. Oh,
Not so great.
not so great. Looks like it wanted to go. We're having that same issue.
Too tight? Too much pressure?
No, it's not hitting in the crease there.
So what can you put in there to help with that crease? I think that's gonna happen. Well, it's not gonna happen on these, but it is gonna happen on any of these with a seam.
The seam. I'll still wear it.
You will not.
All right, let's try this one. This one has a seam too. Do you want to try to put like a...
Let's not try, let me think of something. Like, I saw somebody suggest...
All right, we had issues with the seam on that one, so we're gonna try to plan for the seam on this one. We cut out these 2 silicone pieces. I'm gonna leave a gap.
So we're finding that the hats with the seam in the front want to crinkle when you press it. They wrinkle inside, even if you pull it tight.
All right, I don't think we're gonna do this one because we can't get, can you see the wrinkle in there? No matter what we do to try to press it, there's a wrinkle. So we know it's going to turn out like that. But the acrylic seemed to take to the material.
Cotton fairly well.
Alright, let's see if this one will straighten out. See, they got that crazy hump in there.
I hear ya.
Oh, no, I can see it. Look.
You can see it. Oh, wow, that's bad. Don't even bother. That's just a mess.
Alright.
These must need to be...
These hats don't work. What do we got?
But these hats should be okay. There's no seam.
No seam, so these hats should do fine. We got these off of Amazon, right?
Yep, pretty cheap. See if I can get close enough for you guys to see. I don't know if you can see it, but there, when you pre-press it, it wrinkles the hat. And I think it's because of the shape of the front of this thing. It has an extra hump right here in the front, which is just causing the wrinkle. Now, unless I can put, all right, so let's try something else here. Just an idea. A little bit right there. A little bit right there. See if we can get that to give us any extra cushion. All right, put that one.
Or do you want to try the acrylic one again?
Yes, now we got some little cushion. So what we did was we put a little polyester,
wine glass holders,
wine koozies, and because they're small, we gave it a little more like pillowy cushion underneath of that, and I think that helped. Definitely some lessons learned here.
Plunger that.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's a little crooked. You see that?
It's the plunger handle.
Okay. No, it looks good. It just was not, it didn't get in far enough. Tacos is too low. Same thing happened to Shenanigans.
Logos are too big. All right, it came out pretty good, but our logo was too big. Smooth. Yeah, not bad. Logo's a little big.
All right, lesson learned. I made all the logos too big.
All the logos were a little too big. What happened is we measured the bottom pad to make sure the logo covered this bottom pad. We should have measured the top pad where the heat's coming from. Lesson learned. There you go.
All right, so to wrap things up, here's what we've got. The acrylic spray works fairly well if you like that burnout look, but it does work.
A little faded.
A little faded, that's that burnout look. These polyester hats worked great. They had a nice flat surface, so they had the cushion and they had a nice smooth surface to put the sublimation ink on. Worked great. And then these last two, the Poly T chemical spray was excellent. The colors are nice and sharp. The challenge with these and the challenge with all of them in this hat press is the seam down the front. It doesn't give a very smooth surface.
Yeah.
So we found that little extra cushion. We put some foam kind of thing underneath of it to give it a little extra cushion, and that helped. But the spray, build it yourself.
Make it yourself. So do we. So if you want to see more projects and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And remember to hit that bell to be notified of our new videos each week. Before you go, check out one of these other videos over here, over on this side. Here's the subscribe button. Other videos to watch. Subscribe button.